Hey guys, it is Kitten Gamer here, and for today's video, I will be showing you how to make a garden, and welcome to Bloxburg. So, here I am at my house. So, what you want to do is, first, so obviously you're going to go into build mode, because that's what you do. And then, it doesn't matter if you want it in the front yard or backyard, it works anyway. So go ahead, get the plot where you want your garden to be. So then you're going to go to build. It's over here in the left hand corner or something like that. So then what you want to do? So you get the wall. And then you make the size of the garden you want. Sorry, I can't move my thing because my computer is being weird. So, then you just so once you make a rectangle or square or whatever shape you want your garden to be, you just want to get the floor tool and make a floor. Then you want to delete the walls, so you have just this little plot of land. Then you want to dye it like, where is it? You want this one, slate or something, I don't know. Yeah, slate. Then you just want to dye it a garden color, so just a brown, whatever brown of your choice. I chose this brown, it just suits the garden thing. Okay. Then you just go to garden and build or decorate, because in decorate, yeah, they have it in decorate too. And yeah, so then you just want to get the flowers that cost 60, and then you just want to put them in lines where you want them to be. So I'm only going to do that much, because I was going to do this, like I'm going to move it one. You know what? Never mind. It'll just be like this. Oops. Okay. And then I also just put a little a plant. And then you can always dye the flowers the color of your choice. I'm just gonna keep them yellow for now. So also, yeah. And guys, I did change it a little bit because I just made some more, so yeah. So yeah, that's how to make a garden. So like I said, I just did make it smaller. I made it, instead of 3 blocks, I made it 2 blocks because I wanted like this thing to fit over it. So yeah. And if you want to see the actual thing, I can't move because okay, so here it is, and I think it turned out really good because it just did. So, wait, I wonder what this does. Like actually, okay. Well, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, kittens.